am doing a promotion for my Etsy store, which is 15% off from September 9th until September 27th. And I'm also doing a giveaway out of my shop as well, which is one of these mugs, a small mug or a small bag. And that runs until the end of this week, from the 9th until the end of the week. But the promotion for 15% off runs all the way until September 27th. The link for that is listed down below, and the promo code, if you need it, is Jewel15. All I ask is that you comment down below something crochet related to participate. Make sure you're a subscriber, and also, if you haven't already, join my Facebook group or like my Facebook page if you're on Facebook. And I have a couple other promotions that are listed down below, which is like Knit Crate and my two books that are for sale on Amazon, if you'd like to take a look. Okay, so if you'd like to participate in the giveaway, comment down below, and I'll pick a winner in about a week. So thank you for watching.